all the lonely souls. So if you want to hear